Court in order.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner. Some can't stay sober, looking over all their shoulders, like moving boulders just to get out of the home. It sucks, I've had enough, I don't wanna feel the stuck under the rug, all my problems that I shove. I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. I got nightmares in my head.
Court in order.
Creating content about sensitive topics, especially those involving children and legal outcomes, requires a thoughtful approach. This is a comprehensive piece exploring some of the most horrific sentences given to minors, the circumstances surrounding these cases, and the broader implications on society. This content will be structured to provide an engaging yet respectful overview. Understanding the juvenile justice system. Before diving into specific cases, it's essential to understand the juvenile justice system's intended purpose. Designed to handle young offenders differently from adults, this system aims to provide rehabilitation rather than punitive measures. Minors are seen as more malleable, capable of change and growth. However, the nature of certain crimes and the societal outrage they provoke often lead to harsh sentences that seem inconsistent with this philosophy. Factors influencing sentencing. The nature of the crime plays a crucial role in shaping sentencing outcomes, especially when it comes to violent offenses like murder or sexual crimes. Such cases frequently attract intense media attention and public outrage, which can lead judges to impose harsher sentences as a means of reflecting community sentiments. This dynamic creates a challenging landscape for justice, where the emotional responses of the public can unduly influence judicial decisions. Another significant factor is the age of the offender. The younger the individual involved, the more contentious the sentencing process can become. Cases involving very young offenders often evoke sympathy, prompting calls for rehabilitation rather than punishment. This raises critical questions about the capacity of minors to comprehend the consequences of their actions and whether the justice system can appropriately address their needs. Judicial discretion further complicates matters, as judges typically have wide latitude in determining sentences. Each judge brings their unique philosophies about juvenile justice to the bench, leading to widely varying outcomes even in similar cases. This inconsistency can be troubling, especially when the fate of young offenders hinges on the individual beliefs of the presiding judge. Additionally, public pressure plays a significant role in high-profile cases, resulting in considerable outcry that can sway the legal system toward imposing more severe sentences than may be warranted. The combination of these factors creates a complex interplay that often prioritizes punitive measures over rehabilitation, particularly in cases involving minors, where the potential for change and growth is significant.
I got nightmares in my head, I fear that the thoughts build up until I can't hear, that my mind fills up into a creature, and it haunts me somewhere much deeper. Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it could build and build until you finally see, whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be alone.